Good morning students. Today in subject mathematics we will start exercise 3.2. In that first question is the scores in mathematics test of 15 students in as follow. Find the mode and median of this data and question is are they same? Now this data represent the scores scored by 15 students in mathematics test. Out of 25, this data represent scores of 15 students. Now, we all know what is mode. Mode means most repeated number of data or most repeated frequency of the data. And what is median? Median means middle value. For that, first of all, we have to arrange this data in ascending form. We all know to find median it is necessary to arrange the given data in ascending form or descending form. Now what is ascending form? Lowest number to highest number. Now here what is the lowest number? 5, after that 9, 10, after that 12, after that 15, after that 16, then 20, 20, 20 and 4 times 20, after that 23, 24, 25 and 25. 25 is twice. Now I already arranged this data in ascending order. Now the first question is find the mode and median. So we have to find mode. Now mode is equal to most repeated number of data. Now here we have to see which number is most repeated. Here we can clearly see 25 is repeated twice and 20 is repeated 4 times. So mode of this data is 20. So here I will write 20. Now I have to find median. Now median of this data, median means the middle value or middle observation. Now here total number of observations are 15. Now we have to find middle observation. Now how to find median? Suppose question be like find the median for this data. So we can clearly see 3 is the middle value. So median for this data is 3. Now question be like now find median for this data. In that middle value is 6 because after 6 there is a 2 number and before 6 there is a 2 number. So 6 is median for this data. We'll take another example. Now question be like find median for this data. Now here we can see the median for this data is 9 because 9 is middle value. Why? Because after 9 there is a 3 observation and before 9 there is a 3 observation. So here total number of students are 15. Now we already arranged this data in ascending form. We have to find middle observation or median. Now here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 15 students are there and we have to find my middle observation. So here I can write 20 is my median because after 20 there is a 7 observation and before 20 there is a 7 observation. So the median of the data is equal to 20. Now question is there, find the mode and median of this data and are they same? Now we have to check is mode and median both are same value. So yes, here we can see mode of the data is 20 and median of the data is 20. So here we can write yes, that mode and median are the same, both are 20. Not all the time mode and median will be same. In particular this question the mode and median is same. Now the second question is the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follow. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? Now this data represents the runs scored by a cricket team or a 11 player, so we have to find mean, mode and median for this data or this score. So first question is find the mean. So to find mean we all know equation for that is sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Here sum of all observation means we have to add all this observation, or we have to do addition of all this observation. For that I will write mean is equal to sum of all observation divided by number of observation, and I have to do addition of this data divided by number of observation or total number of observation. Here 11 players played, so total number of players are 11, so I will write 11. Here in terms of score scored by player, you can also write mean is equal to total runs divided by number of players. Now I have to do addition of this data, so after adding all this data I will get 429 divided by 11. Now how to divide 429 with 11? So we all know 42 is not divisible with 11, so I will take 11 3s are 33. Now I have to subtract 33 from 42, so after subtracting I will get 9, so I will add 9 here. Now we all know 11 9s are 99, so my answer will be 39. So here I will write 39 runs. So here we can write, therefore the mean of the given data is 39 runs. Now we have to find median and mode of this data. We all know to find median it's necessary to arrange the given observation in ascending or descending order. Now ascending order means lowest to highest number, so here I will start. Now the lowest number is 6, highest number is 8, so we will arrange this data in ascending order. So I already arranged this data in ascending order. Now we have to find median, so here I will write median of this data is equal to, now median means middle value. Now the middle value is here 15. Why 15? Because after 15 there is a 5 numbers and before 15 there is a 5 numbers. Now question arises there that how to find median. Many students are finding it difficult to find median. So to find median, equation for that, suppose whenever there is a large data, suppose 11 or 15 or 37 observations are given and you have to find median, so it becomes quite difficult. So for that equation is median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Now what is n represents here? N means the total number of observations, that how many observations are given. So here we can see total 11 observations are given, so here I will write 11 plus 1 divided by 2. Now 11 plus 1 is equal to 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Now 6 represent that sixth observation is my median. Now here we can see what is sixth observation, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now sixth observation is my median. So whenever there is a odd number is given and you have to find median for large number or large data, so you can use this equation. Now so here the median of the data is 15. Now we have to find mode of this data. Now mode means most repeated number. Here the most repeated number is, we can see 15, so mode of this data is 15. Now question is there, are the three same? That means we have to check that mean, mode and median, all three are same. So we can see the mean is 39 runs, median is 15 runs and mode is 15 runs. So we can see three of them are not same, so we can write no, the mean mode and median are not same. Now next question, question number 3. The weights in kilogram of 15 students of a class are given, and we have to find in that the first question, find the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? Now we all know to find mean it's necessary to arrange the given data in ascending or descending form, but to find mode it's not necessary. But if we'll arrange this data for mode also in ascending or descending order, it will become quite easy to find that which number is repeated higher times or which number is repeated more than one time. So first of all I am arranging this observation in ascending order. Now ascending order means lower number to higher number. So here the lower number, first one is I can see 32, so here I will write 32. The next lower number is 35, after that 36, after that I can see 37, after that I can see 38, 1, 2 and 3, 3 times 38 is there. Now the next one is 39 is not there, 40, after that 41 is not there, 42, after that 43, 1, 2 and 3, 3 times. The next one 44 is not there, 45, next one 47 and last one 50. So we arrange the given data in ascending order. Now the first question is find the mode and median. So to find mode of given data is equal to, now we have to check which number is repeated more than one time. Now here we can see 1, 2, 3, 38 is been repeated 3 times. Another number 1, 2, 3, 43 is also been repeated 3 times. If in question the number is repeated thrice and another number is also been repeated thrice, so we have to write both of that number. We can't write only one number because both numbers are repeated same time. So we can also write 43. Now we have to find median of given data. Now in previous question, as I told you, if there is a odd number of data is given or odd number of observations are given, to find median for that we can also use this method. Now here the 15 observations are given, so I can write m is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So n represent the total number of observations. So here 15 observations are given plus 1 divided by 2. So 15 plus 1 I will get 16 divided by 2. So answer will be 8. So now 8 represent that 8th observation is my median in given data. So now I have to check 8th observation. Now here I will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 40 kg is my median. 8th observation is my median. So median of the given data is equal to 40. Now the next question in that is there more than one mode? Now we have to check is in given question is there is more than one mode. So yes, we can see there is a two mode, 38 and 43. So we can write yes, the given data has more than one mode. Now question 4, find the mode and median of the data. The data is given, we have to find mode and median for this data. So as I told you earlier, to find median it's necessary to arrange the given data in ascending or descending form. For mode it's not necessary, but if we will do, then it will become quite easy for us to find mode. So I will arrange this observation in ascending order. So ascending order means lower observation to higher observation. So here the lower observation is 12, so I will start with 12. 12 is 2 times, so I will write 12. After that 13, 13 is 2 times. After that 14, 14 is thrice. Now 15 is not there. 16, then 19. So this is how we arrange the given observation in ascending or ascending order. Now I already arranged this data in ascending order. The question is find the mode. So we will write mode of this data or given data is equal to the most repeated number. So most repeated number here is 14. We can see 14 is being repeated thrice, so I will write 14. Now I have to find median of the data. Median of the data or this data or given data is equal to, median means middle value or middle observation. So here the total number of observation are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5. I can say 14 is my middle observation because after 14 there is a 4 observation, or before 14 there is a 4 observation. Otherwise you may do this method to find median, n plus 1 divided by 2. This method you can apply only and only when there is a odd number is given. Odd number is 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. So here the total number of observations are 9. So I can do 9 plus 1 divided by 2. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 divided by 2. I will get 5. So fifth, 5 represent fifth observation. So fifth observation of my data is my median. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 14 is my median. So the mode of the given data is 14 and median of the given data is 14. So question over. Now the last question, fifth question, tell whether the statement is true or false. In that first question is the mode is always one of the numbers in data. So question means to say the mode which we are finding is always in that data. So for example, if I am telling you find the mode for the given data. Now seeing this data you can say, sir, the mode is 3. So yes, the mode is 3. Why 3 is our mode? Because 3 is already available in this data. So the question is the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. So yes, the mode is always one of the numbers in data. So we will write the statement is true. Now the next question is the mean is one of the numbers in a data. The second question means to say the mean is one of the number which is there in data. For example, suppose I am telling you find the mean for the following data. Now we have to find, for mean equation for that is sum of all observation divided by number of all observation. Now I'll find mean for this one. How many number of observations are here? 1 2 3 4 5. So total number of observation are 5. Now to do addition, 5 and 3 8 and plus 2 10 and 1 11 and 9 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 I will get 4. So is 4 is in this data? Yes or no? So 4 is not there. So we'll write the statement is false. Why? This is not, there is not necessary that always the number is, mean number is there in data. So we will write the statement is false. Now the next question, the median is always one of the numbers in a data. Now question mean to say the median which we are finding or the middle value which we are find, that is always there in a data. So yes, without data how can we say that this is my median, this is my median? For example, suppose I am telling you find the median for this data. Now we can see 5 is my median because after 5 there is a 2 number and before 5 there is a 2 number, but 5 is there in data. So we can say yes, the median is always one of the numbers which is in data. So yes, 5 is in my data. So we will write the statement. The last question is the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. So we have to find mean for this data and we have to check whether it's 9 or any other number. So for that we all know to find mean equation for that is sum of all observation divided by number of observations. So here I will write 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9 divided by total number of observations. How many observations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will divide the summation of this observation with 8. So after adding all this observation I will get 64 divided by total number of observation 8. We all know 8 8s are 64. So mean for this data is 8. So here they are asking mean has 9. So no. So we will write the statement is false. The mean of the data is the given data is 8. So this is how we have to find mode, median and mean. So here we are completing exercise 3.2. If you are having any doubt, queries in this exercise, you may ask me. Thank you.